Founded in 2010, Langxi Zhenhai Machinery Limited Company is a professional non-woven machinery manufacturer, focusing on kinds of bedding machinery manufacturing, integrating product research and development, sales, and service. Our company is located in Shuangcheng City and Hui Province, China, with convenient transportation access not far from Shanghai Pudong International Airport. Our main products are computerized quilting machine, pillow filling machine, ball fiber machine, automatic multifunctional rolling packing machine for pillows, quilts, blankets, pet beds, vacuum compress packing machine for block shaping, different kinds of wadding production lines and carding machine, needle punching machine. Those products have been exported to many countries, like the United States, the United Kingdom, Russia, Uzbekistan, Canada, Pakistan, India, Japan, Vietnam, Turkey, the United Arab Emirates, Egypt, Azerbaijan, Tunisia, South Africa, Ecuador, Peru, Brazil, Serbia, Morocco. More than 60 countries and regions around the world, which have won wide praise and improved the popularity of Zhenhai brand. In order to better serve the overseas market, some of our products have followed ISO 9001 quality system, European standard, Saudi Arabia SASO standard, CE certification. Our experienced employees are committed to strict quality inspection and considerate customer service, which can meet the requirements of different customers and ensure customer satisfaction. Whether you want to select a product from our existing catalog or seek help in special applications, please feel free to contact our customer service center at any time. If you have any new ideas and suggestions on our products, you are warmly welcome to contact us for common progress and development. Thank you.